Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Halloween decorations with a spotlight on a must-have item for your festive setup. We're talking about the best pumpkin string lights battery-operated. If you're looking to transform your space into a delightful Halloween haven, these lights are exactly what you need. These AXIIJGL pumpkin string lights feature a length of 9.8 feet adorned with 20 charming, 3D-cut pumpkin designs. Each light glows in a cheerful orange, providing just the right amount of warmth and festivity. The delightful glow of these pumpkins creates a magical ambiance, perfect for parties, trick-or-treating, or simply bringing some Halloween cheer to your home. Now, let's talk about what makes these lights stand out. First up, they are battery-operated. This means no need to worry about unsightly cords or finding an outlet. You can hang them just about anywhere, inside or outside, making them incredibly versatile. Plus, they're made with high-quality copper wire wrapped in a waterproof cover, ensuring that they withstand the elements if you choose to use them outdoors. These string lights come with two exciting lighting modes: a steady glow and a flashing option. The steady mode offers a constant, warm light that adds a cozy feel to your space, while the flashing mode enhances that spooky vibe perfect for Halloween. You can easily switch between modes to set the right atmosphere for your gathering or to match your mood. Imagine decorating your porch or garden with these delightful pumpkin lights. They can be hung around your front door, draped along the fence, or even used as a centerpiece at your Halloween party. Their cheerful design adds a whimsical touch that will surely impress your guests, whether they're young trick-or-treaters or adults at a Halloween bash. One of the great things about these lights is their easy storage and reuse. After the Halloween season, you can simply pack them away and bring them out year after year. Their durability means they will last for multiple seasons, providing you with that festive touch each Halloween without the hassle of replacing them. To sum it all up, the AXIIJGL pumpkin string lights are more than just lights, they're a delightful addition to your Halloween decor. With their battery-operated convenience, adorable pumpkin designs, waterproof construction, and multiple lighting modes, they truly are the best choice for anyone looking to elevate their Halloween celebrations. So, if you're ready to light up your Halloween with some fun and festive pumpkin lights, be sure to check out the AXIIJGL pumpkin string lights. You won't be disappointed. And remember, when it comes to making your home a Halloween wonderland, every little detail counts. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing product insights. Happy Halloween decorating, and we'll see you next time.